Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to use your Skullcandy Crusher Evo wireless headphones. First of all, let's turn on our headphones. So to turn them on, simply press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. You hear a sound signal and see the LED light. Now to turn them off, do the same. Once again, the light has disappeared and we've heard a voice signal. So now let's connect our headphones to the phone. So turn them on. Make sure that they are in the pairing mode. It should blink with the red and blue color. In order to go into the pairing mode, if you're not, simply hold your volume up and volume down button for 5 seconds and your headphones will enter pairing mode. Now let's grab our phone, press settings, press connections, press Bluetooth, and press on. Now let's wait for our phone to detect the headphones. Alright, our phone has detected our headphones, so simply tap on them and press pair. Now you are paired with your phone. Now let's talk about the main feature about the music controls. So a simple press on the main button right here, it plays or pauses the music. To increase the volume, press the bottom up. To decrease, press the bottom down. To skip forward, hold the lower button for 3 seconds. To skip back, hold the upper button for 3 seconds as well. Let's talk about the coolest feature on these headphones, which I personally like, is a bass magic. So slide the bass slider on the top right to turn on this option. This creates a lot of bass, like in a concert, and simply turn it down for balance mode, so you can choose something in between and create your perfect sound. Let's talk about calls and assistant. To answer or end a call, simply press the main button once. To reject a call, press and hold it for 3 seconds. To activate your assistant, press the main button twice. Now let's talk about the charging. So you can charge your headphones with a simple USB-C cable. So find your charging port right here at the left ear cup and enter it. As you see, it started glowing. So when it will glow with green light, it means they are ready. A quick charge takes something about 10 minutes and gives 4 hours of playtime. Also, don't forget to enjoy your Title technology. Install the Title app on your phone. Let me show it to you. It looks like this. In this application, you can always find your headphones if you're lost them. We have a video on it. So now let's reset our headphones. So first of all, once again, grab your phone, open up your Bluetooth options, find your Crusher Evo, press on the gear icon and press unpair. Just like this. Now let's reset our headphones. So to do that, press your volume up button and volume down button for the 3 seconds simultaneously. Just like this, it means they are resetted. So now they are in a pairing mode again and you can connect them as usual. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.